Good morning students. Today we are going to see chapter 1 laws of motion problems in page number 14. Question number 3. A mechanic unscrew a nut by applying a force of 140 Newton with a spanner of length 40 centimeter. What should be the length of the spanner if a force of 40 Newton is applied to unscrew the same nut? A mechanic apply a force of 140 Newton to unscrew a nut. The length of a spanner is given as 40 centimeter. We have to find out the length of the spanner if a mechanic apply a force of 40 Newton. Given data, force applied to unscrew nut F1 is equal to 140 Newton. Length of a spanner L1 is equal to 40 centimeter. Is equal to 40 by 100 meter. That is, we have to convert the centimeter into meter. Is equal to 0.4 meter. Force applied to unscrew a nut F2 is equal to 40 Newton. To find length of a spanner L2. Formula: moment of force is equal to force into distance. Solution: equating moment of force on both cases, F1 d1 is equal to F2 d2. 140 Newton into 0.4 meter is equal to 40 Newton into d2. d2 is equal to 140 into 0.4 by 40 Newton. Newton and Newton get cancelled. Is equal to 14 into 0.4 by 4 meter. Now we have to divide 0.4 by 4 is equal to 14 into 0.1 meter is equal to 1.4 meter. Result: length of a spanner is equal to 1.4 meter. Question number 4. The ratio of masses of two planets is 2:3 and the ratio of the radii is 4:7. Find the ratio of their acceleration due to gravity. Ratio of masses of two planets are given as 2:3 and the radii is given as 4:7. We have to find out the ratio of the acceleration due to gravity. Given data, ratio of masses of two planets is equal to 2:3. Ratio of the radii is equal to 4:7. To find ratio of acceleration due to gravity. Formula: small g is equal to gm by r square. Solution: acceleration due to gravity for first planet g1 is equal to gm1 by r1 squared. Acceleration due to gravity for second planet g2 is equal to gm2 by r2 squared. Ratio of acceleration due to gravity is equal to g1 by g2 is equal to gm1 by r1 squared by gm2 by r2 squared. Now gm1 by r1 squared into r2 squared by gm2. Now capital G and capital G get cancelled is equal to m1 by m2 into r2 squared by r1 squared is equal to m1 by m2 into r2 by r1 whole squared is equal to, now we have to substitute the value of m1 m2. So 2 by 3 into r2 and r1 7 by 4 whole squared is equal to 2 by 3 into 7 by 4 into 7 by 4 is equal to 1 by 3 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 4 is equal to 49 by 24 is equal to 49:24. Result: ratio of acceleration due to gravity is equal to 49:24. Thank you students.